Still scrubbing your fryers like crazy? Stop the hassle. There's a smarter way to clean your fryers. Introducing VITO tabs, powerful boil-out tablets for commercial fryers. Newly formulated to cut through grease and grime. Fast, easy and effective. Step 1. Drain the oil and fill the fryer with water. Step 2. Add VITO tabs. 1 for up to 15-liter fryers and 2 for larger fryers. Now heat up the fryer to around 110 degrees and let it boil for at least 20 minutes. You could also let it soak overnight. Add stainless steel accessories like baskets or grids to clean them at the same time. For heavy build-up, gently brush off burnt-in deposits during the boil-out process. After boiling, drain the solution and rinse the fryer thoroughly with clean water until no residue remains. Your fryer is now spotless and ready to use. From burnt-on grease to spotless shine, in little time with minimal effort. VITO tabs are available at your local VITO dealer. Thanks for watching.